Hello friends, Sat Shri Akal. Welcome to Punjabi Charm YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Friends, in this video we will learn Addak matra words. In the first video of this series we learned that Addak matra is represented by this symbol. And Addak matra is used to give a slight pause between the letters and to put an emphasis on the letters follows it. As in middle, and village. And we learnt a Punjabi word ak, with a Addak matra on top of it, and it means I. Let's learn more Addak matra words. The first word we will learn is ak. Ak means I. And to read this word we can say add in Addak a, kakha mukta kha, ak. One thing to note here is because of this Addak matra, we will give stress on kakha here. So this will become ak. You can repeat after me. Ak. Let's move to the next word. The next word is hath. Hath means hand. And to read this word, we can say hahe nu Addak ha, thatha mukta tha, hath. You can repeat after me. Hath. Let's move to the next word. The next word is aj. Aj means today. And to read this word, we can say adenu Addak a, jajja mukta ja, aj. You can repeat after me. Aj. Let's check out next word. The next word is maj. Maj means buffalo. And to read this word, we can say mammenu Addak ma, jajja mukta cha, maj. You can repeat after me. Maj. Let's check out next word. The next word is bachcha. Bachcha means child. And to read this word, we can say babbenu Addak ba, chachenu kanna cha, bachcha. You can repeat after me. Bachcha. Let's check out next word. The next word is daddu. Daddu means frog. And to read this word, we can say daddenu Addak da, daddenu dulankar do, daddu. You can repeat after me. Daddu. Let's move to the next word. The next word is it. It means brick. And to read this word, we can say idinu sihari utte Addak I, tanka mukta ta, it. You can repeat after me. It. Let's check out next word. The next word is jutti. Jutti means shoe. And to read this word, we can say jajjenu onkad utte Addak ju, tattenu bihari ti, jutti. You can repeat after me. Jutti. Let's check out next word. The next word is chitta. Chitta means white. And to read this word, we can say chachenu sehari utte Addak che, tankenu kanna ta, chitta. You can repeat after me. Chitta. Let's move to the next word. The next word is chitti. Chitti means male. And to read this word, we can say chachenu sehari utte Addak che, thathenu bihari ti, Chetti. You can repeat after me. Chetti. Let's move to the next word. The next word is mittha. Mittha means sweet. And to read this word, we can say mammenu sihari utte Addak me, thathenu kanna tha, mittha. You can repeat after me. Mittha. Let's move to the next word. The next word is baddal. Baddal means clouds. And to read this word, we can say babbenu Addak ba, dadda mukta da, lalla mukta la, baddal. You can repeat after me. Baddal. Let's check out next word. The next word is patthar. Patthar means stone. And to read this word, we can say pappenu addak pa, tatha mukta tha, rara mukta ra, patthar, patthar. You can repeat after me, patthar. Let's check out next word. The next word is lakkad, lakkad. Lakkad means wood. And to read this word, we can say lallenu addak la, kakkenu mukta ka, rarenu mukta da, lakkad, lakkad. You can repeat after me, lakkad. Let's check out next word. The next word is puttar, puttar. Puttar means son. And to read this word, we can say pappenu onkad utte addak pu, tatta mukta ta, rara mukta ra, puttar, puttar. You can repeat after me, puttar. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning Punjabi. Sat Shri Akal.